Welcome to the MecSoft User Spotlight series, where you can see real customers using MecSoft products. Today we'll be spotlighting the Warren Group and their use of VisualCAM for SolidWorks CNC software. One of the most exciting things we get to do here at MecSoft Corporation is give voice to the hardworking men and women who use our software on a daily basis while fulfilling their passion through manufacturing. The Warren Group, located in Santa Fe Springs, California, designs and manufactures prototype and production packaging solutions for the industrial, automotive, and consumer products industries. For the past 7 years, the Warren Group has relied on VisualCAM for SolidWorks to program the toolpaths they need to drive their two 5x10 multicam CNC machining centers. Edgar Mota has been with the Warren Group for the past 7 years, working in production as a CNC operator and currently in engineering as a lead designer. We recently sat down with Edgar to learn more about the company and how it uses VisualCAM for SolidWorks in their engineering and manufacturing process. Here is some of what Edgar had to say about VisualCAM.
At first, it was a little hard because we had no experience, but through your help and your guidance, we were able to get up and running. Normally, we always cut PVC, we always cut acrylic, we always cut dye bond. What I like about VisualCAM is that I could save a knowledge base of the materials that I've cut, and I could save a tool library of the materials that I normally cut. From reading on your forum and everything that you had on your website, the conclusion that Klein was a better option for us. It gives us a way better clean cut on our acrylics and everything.
Thanks, Edgar. For packaging design and drafting, the Warren Group uses Impact from Arden Software, a database-driven packaging design application. Here in the upper right, we see the flat pattern of a corrugated display design. Once the design is complete, 2D flat patterns are opened in VisualCAM for SolidWorks, a fully integrated gold-certified SolidWorks partner application. Edgar takes advantage of VisualCAM's ability to create custom knowledge bases that capture the CNC knowledge specific to their manufacturing process. A typical packaging design is shown here. Here in the lower right, we see the actual prototype of the corrugated packaging and lettering cut with VisualCAM toolpaths. The Warren Group also designs and machines their own tooling used in the production of thermoformed packaging products. In the example shown here, the VisualCAM for SolidWorks plugin is used to produce the toolpaths required to machine this mold block from wren-shaped tooling board on the multicam 3-axis CNC machining center. The completed mold is then used to manufacture the thermoformed clear PVC packaging for this product. Let's have a closer look. The cut parameters include a stock allowance of 25 thousandths of an inch, an offset cut pattern, a mixed cut direction, and a 1/8 inch step over. Cut level parameters include a 0.375 inch step down, depth first cut level ordering, and a bottom Z limit of -2.375 inches. For engage and retract, a path motion is used with a linear extension of 0.275 inches. Cut arc fitting is applied at each Z level. The estimated machining time is 38 minutes. Here, in the top right image, we see the Z-level display dialog, showing us that a total of 7 levels were used and that the 4th level, at -1.475 inches, is displayed. To begin the finishing process, this next image shows a series of 2.5-axis toolpath strategies, pocketing, profiling, and engraving, used to machine the top and bottom base flanges using a 1/4 inch end mill. Pocketing is used to machine the flange surfaces to a finished Z depth. Profiling and engraving are used to clean up the edges between the top and the bottom flanges. For the final finishing, 4 separate 3-axis parallel finishing toolpath strategies are used. Each follows the part surfaces in the Z-axis. The first two cut along the x-axis 0 direction using part boundary offsets of 1/16 of an inch and 1/32 of an inch as containment. The tool used is a 2-degree carbide tapered V-mill with a 1/16 inch corner radius. The cut parameters include a tolerance of 0.0010 stock remaining, a mixed cut direction, and a step over of 10% of the tool diameter. The Z depth is limited to -2.375 inches with linear entry-exit motions and straight cut connections. The estimated machining time for the first two operations is just under 15 minutes. The second two are identical except that they follow the y-axis 90-degree direction. A close-up of the 3-axis parallel finishing toolpath is shown here, along with the actual thermoform mold machined on their multicam 3-axis machining center. Here is a quick look at the cut material simulation for this project in VisualCam for SolidWorks. We would like to extend a special thanks to the Warren Group for allowing us to share their VisualCam success story. The Warren Group specializes in custom packaging, displays, and signage for the industrial, automotive, and consumer products industries from their 15,000 square foot facility in Santa Fe Springs, California. From concept and design to prototype and production, the Warren Group uses only the best CAD/CAM tools and software on the market, including VisualCam for SolidWorks. For more information about the Warren Group, we invite you to visit them online at studiotwg.com. VisualCam for SolidWorks is available in 5 different configurations: Express, Standard, Expert, Professional, and Premium. The parts shown here were machined using the standard configuration. For the complete features list, we invite you to visit the VisualCam for SolidWorks product page. This video was brought to you by MecSoft Corporation, your CAM partner.